Good morning, everybody. As I step out of my office here, don't worry, I wasn't doing that. I was taking a shower. Well, I want to feel nice and fresh for start of a brand new day. And boy, that nice cool shower from that rainfall shower head felt so good. Let me show you what else going on here. Else got her crew out helping. She's trying to get them to do tasks around here like watering the grass, you know, because it's not been no rain since the typhoon and the ground's trying to crack. Over here she's got the other twin teaching her responsibilities like sweeping and cleaning. Ain't that right, G-Li? Don't ignore that camera. Yeah, teach them responsibility, teach them basics. And Miss Mel, she's got a fire going here already this morning. And I see you got bananas in there. You've got sweet potato. Is that ube? Or just a regular sweet potato?
Just a regular sweet potato.
Man, so you boiling up some stuff first thing in the morning.
Yeah, our breakfast.
So I see you got a frozen chicken sitting here. Some potatoes and carrots. Are you gonna fix, let me guess, chicken curry, right? Yeah, had to beat her out before she said it. Chicken curry. Make the curry in a hurry. That's that tarpaulin I bought from those Japanese that came by here. Man, I really regret not buying more tarpaulins from them that day. That is a true heavy duty real tarpaulin, not this little cheap blue stuff they sell here in the country. That's something to take care of right there. Just put it in that room down there at the end. So I'm gonna have June to climb up this coconut right here and remove all of those coconuts right there. Because we got a neighbor's little house right here that this particular tree, it leans over right over top of their house, different than the rest. And it's dropping them on top of their roof right there. Plus somebody could get hurt, get knocked in the head with one over there. So I'm just gonna remove all the coconuts up there. From this one, we'll use them and be a good neighbor. And we're also gonna take this old bamboo out here this morning. It's all rotten. And we're gonna put some fresh bamboo in on this fence too. And for right now, I've got a whole bunch of leftover bamboo from the last time we were here. We've had stored right there. And so we're gonna go through what we can with it right now and replace a bunch of it and repurpose that bamboo. And it'll get it out from underneath there as well, out of my way. So that's one of the tasks going on. And then the next task, let me show you. And the next task going on is all the water from this well pump just keeping this ground saturated, and it's like a nasty little pond over in a corner where it don't have anywhere to go or soak in. So we're gonna dig a trench, put a 3-inch pipe in for a drain, and it's gonna go under the main beam to that fence right there and come out to that sand at the beach. It'll soak in immediately right there endlessly. I mean, the water will just soak straight into the sand. But this is all clay here, and it can't soak down. And it makes for a mess, you know. And then I've got Joel over here beginning to work to make the lids in here for this underground water tank, the storage. Now, many of you want to know, did it catch water? Did it catch water from the rooftop? So cool, nice and full of water. That is exactly what I wanted. I mean, that is literally just thousands of gallons of water in there. They're trying to let these down slowly so they don't slam down on the neighbor's roof right here. Can't even see June up there. He just hid amongst all of that. It's funny. We don't need to pour it that thick.
Yes.
I do want it a little heavy though, so that the kids and people can't take it off easy.
Maybe 4 inches.
No, I think I want to go at least 5 inches on it.
Yes, okay.
I want it heavy. I want it where it takes a couple people to get it off.
Okay.
And we need to make a handle to lift.
What is handle? What's that?
Man, that's the thing.
Because ordinary still.
It's going to rust very fast. Unless maybe we put, unless we take that big steel and take PVC and put over the top of it. You see what I'm saying? Take some of that small PVC and put the steel inside and then cast it in the creek. And that way the salt can't get to the steel. It's encased in the PVC. I think that's the better way. Yeah, we'll do it like that. So beautiful, just work going on everywhere. I love it, I love it. So I went up here to the hardware store and I picked up a few supplies. Just wanted to share some of these prices with you. So this PVC pipe, Atlanta S1000 series, that's the heavy pipe here. And it'd be like Schedule 40. And I bought 3 pieces of it and they were $7.75 each. That's for a 10-foot stick. Pretty much same price I gave last time it was here. Then there's the elbow for it right there, 3-inch 90. The little can of solvent right there. The solvent, I don't know, it did seem to be a little bit higher for that size can than what I paid in the past. What else we got here? Okay, Portland right there. So that horse zebra cement, we got some little projects that we're doing that we needed just a few bags, and you see right there it was $2.25. Still pretty comparable to what it was the last time I was here. It went up to about that price. Before I was getting around $2.05. Then right before we left here back last June, or I think the last I bought was actually like in maybe late May. This is the price it was at even then. Then this is some what they call GI wire, also called tie wire. I bought that 4 pieces, means each one of those is a kilo, 4 kilos of it at $75 per kilo. So you can see right there some of the prices if you want some ideas what some materials are going at just a little local mom and pop hardware store here down the street from us. Man, look at that wonderful chicken curry. And the girls cooked up some eggplant here too. Man, that eggplant was really delicious also. Looks good. It's looking good. You can see here he's cutting out some old sacks, making a liner right there. So we got our tank covers here done now, and it's looking pretty good. Let that set. After it firms up a little bit more, we'll do a little bit more of a finish on it. And after it sets as well, tomorrow something, we'll cut that pipe off, probably leave like maybe 1 inch sticking up so we can shove a cap down on that. And then we'll be able to put a metering rod down in there and check how much fuel is in our underground diesel tank here. We'll be able to know how much water's in that tank so we don't like run a pump dry or something on it. Joanne's cooking escaldo here for their break time, their afternoon break time. It smells good too. Well, it's close to the end of another day, and you see there's more trenching being done there. So we trenched in a pipe here in the yard this morning so that all this excess water that runs from this hand pump well here would not be making like a big old cesspool in my yard. So we had dug that out here this morning. You see the trench line. I had also wanted to put a large drain into this yard right here, doing the same thing. This is a lower place that I left in the yard on purpose and didn't backfill so that water would collect here. And I'm going to put in a 4-inch drain pipe going out, and once again under that beam right there to that fence, and we're going to make a little concrete funnel, a little receiving area for that water to drain off the yard, and it'll be able to go out. When you get these heavy rains here, this yard, I've got video of it of while we were gone from the security cameras. It literally floods because it has nowhere to go here on the property because of that concrete beam. You got the house this way, you got the fence this other way and all. So it's the best thing. Put a couple drains into the yard like that. Up here at City Hardware, I can run up there. They sell these metal grates. I think I got a couple of them on hand here right now that I can put into the bottom of it. It'll keep any of the large debris or stones or anything like that from going down in there. And we can clean those ever so often. Well, I dug those out. Now my fat hand will fit underneath there. Your skinny hand fit, but my big hand don't. Shoot. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Maybe Joy, you could get a little bit of water and dress those up, smooth them a little bit with a little water. And I went ahead and edged around and got the cement off the sack all the way around so it'll have a pretty clean edge on it once it dries. But yeah, I've got room now to fit my hand underneath it completely here and be able to get a good handhold on it. See what's happening over here. Ooh, it's the pretty baby. It's the pretty baby. Yeah. What can I say? It's been a very nice, uneventful, just happy day again on the build. Day number 2, back building again. And I'm happy. How can you not? How can you not be happy? Bye. See, how can a person not be happy? It's a good life. I appreciate you all watching today. I hope you learned something today and just enjoyed seeing the progress happening on. Maybe inspire you that life's still going on out there. Don't dwell on the bad, focus towards the good. You make your life good or bad. You dwell on it, you invite bad in the door. Open the door for happiness and you're gonna find it still. Is that not right, Mel?
Yes.
Hey, I'm telling you, you got 2 doors you can let stuff come in. You can open the door to bad or you can open the door to good. I encourage you to close that door on bad and open it to good. Just be happy. Don't let all these world problems get you down. Don't dwell on other people's problems. Focus on your own. It'll all be good. see y'all in the next one.